Hi guys, it is the CEO of HYPNO Cosmetics and welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a how-to video on how to make rose lip oil and rose lip gloss, which will be featured in my Valentine's Day collection. So let's get into the video, guys. I have a surprise for everybody who watches this video all the way through, fully through, without skipping it. It is a surprise waiting for you guys at the end of this video. So watch the whole video. Like and comment as well. Okay, so we start off with a clean bowl. Any bowl, doesn't matter, just a mixing bowl. And I start off with a pipette to mix my oils. I feel as though it's better than a spoon. I have vitamin E oil. And I'm just gonna pour some in. I don't usually do measurements, but I just do a couple of squirts. I usually measure it like eye level. And then I add coconut oil. A couple squirts of that as well. And then I add argan oil. All of these oils are very rich in vitamins, antioxidants, are extremely good for the lips. Then I mix it all together. I mix it very well. Mix, 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 mix. And then I add some more vitamin E oil because it wasn't enough. Mix some more. Then I set that to the side and I bring my lip oil containers forward. These are the roses that I will be using to fill my products, all organic. I start by taking one lip oil container and opening it. These were all pre-washed before this video. So I take a handful of roses and I begin to enter them in the tube. They are very tiny, so it does make a mess. And I just enter them in one by one. So now I bring the oil back and I begin to fill the pipette with the oil. And that's very aesthetically pleasing. And I begin to fill the lip oil in the container very slowly until it's all the way filled. Then when it gets to the top, I take the metal ball, I push it down to close it, and then I take the cap and I seal it up. And that's what it looks like. I will do one more for you guys so that you can see it again. Now, this is just me filling the lip oil container again with the roses. And then you start filling it in with the oil. And I forgot to show this on the last one, but I do take some vanilla flavoring oil and I add a few droplets in there for smell. The roses already come with an amazing smell, but this is for added smell. And then I close it. shake it up a little bit, and there you go. So the process for the lip gloss is exactly the same, just with Versagel. This is the TKB Trading Versagel Gloss Base. You also need a syringe to fill up your tubes and a mixing spoon. I start by putting a little bit of the Versagel in there. I'm only making 10 tubes, so I don't need as much as I would normally need. And for this batch, I'm only going to use vitamin E oil and argan oil. And then I add the flavoring. And I mix it. I mix it until I get a nice texture that I like. So when I'm done, I just set it to the side and I start filling the tubes. The tubes are a little damp because they were pre-washed. They didn't dry all the way. But I start filling the lip tubes. These lip tubes were smaller than the lip oil, so it was a harder process. But I did manage to get them in there. Then I start filling my syringe with the lip gloss. And then I start filling the tube with the lip gloss. And then I take the excess applicator, I think that's what it's called, and I put it on there as well as the top, and I screw it on, and there you have it. There it goes. I will do one more for you guys, just so that you can get the hang of it. So I began filling it again with rose petals. This one isn't as aesthetically pleasing because she was a hard one. She was very difficult, but this is the end product. She came out very nice, and this is all of them together. If you made it to this part of the video, that means that you watched the whole video fully through. So for the month of February, I'm doing a Valentine's Day giveaway. I'll be giving away my rose lip gloss and my rose lip oil that was featured today here in this video, as well as 1 year free shipping with HYPNO. Yes, 1 year free shipping with HYPNO. Share a good Valentine's Day memory that you guys have. A good one. Pull it out from the deepest parts of your thoughts. Pull out a good Valentine's Day memory that you guys have and you wish to share. It does not matter what kind of memory it is. It could be a funny memory, it could be a sad memory, whatever memory that you have from Valentine's Day, please pull it out. I would like to hear it. I would like to hear it, and the person with the best memory will win this bundle as well as 1 year free shipping. The giveaway is only going on for 1 week. 1 week. And I will pick the winner after that 1 week. When it comes to you guys' memories, tag me on Instagram, tag me on TikTok. If you want to DM me on Instagram, don't DM. I don't think you can DM me on TikTok. But if you want to DM me on Instagram, you can, but I prefer not to because I probably won't see it as much. So I'd rather you like post it or post it and send it to me, or just tag me in it. HYPNO Cosmetics. All of my accounts are HYPNO Cosmetics. If you don't tag me, I will not see it, and it won't qualify to win the bundle. So tag me in it. You can post as many memories as you want, but I'm only picking one winner. One winner at the end of the week. I'm only picking one winner. So good luck to everybody that participates, and remember, it's the HYPNO